Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the which flower are you filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, you have to go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here you will see a search button. Just tap there and search for flower. Okay, remember this image. This is the effect. Just tap on it. Okay, tap on the screen to play. Okay, so this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for flower filter. Okay, here you will see videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see try this effect. Just tap there to try the effect. Likewise, okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.